children, let's today start with chapter number 6, our food. So food that most of the people in the region eat is called staple food of the total area. Bharat is a vast country with variety of landforms and climate. The food eaten in different regions of the country depends upon the climate and foods. So rice is grown mostly in areas where it rains a lot. It can not be properly grown in the sandy area like Rajasthan where it rains well with it. The climate and the soil of Rajasthan is suitable for wheat, jowar and bajra. It is not suitable for rice. So that is why people of Rajasthan eat more of these grain than rice. So Rajasthan में देखो तो लोग rice कम खाते हैं, ये grains ज़्यादा खाते हैं जैसे ज्वार बाजरा. In north states of Bharat, people generally eat wheat. As you move west to Rajasthan, it is desert area where wheat, jowar, corn and bajra are the commonly eaten. So rice is the more commonly eaten in eastern and the southern states of Bharat like West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. In the coastal areas, the rice it is eaten with the fish because fish is easily available in the coastal. Along with food grains, pulses, fruits, vegetables also form a part of Indian meal. Pulses are popular all parts of the country. All types of vegetables and fruits are not available. We eat different vegetables and fruits in different seasons. So some fruits and vegetables like potatoes, onion, bananas, they are available throughout the year. Carrot, peas, grapes. ये क्या है? ये grown होता है winter में. Mangoes are only available in summer. Fruits and vegetables available only in a particular season. वो क्या होता है? Seasonal. जो season के हिसाब से fruits और vegetable available होते हैं वो seasonal fruits होते हैं. Life available in winter, carrot, peas, sweet potato, peas, cauliflower, apple. समर में आपके चेरी, ब्रिंजल, मैंगो, वाटरमेलन, लेडी फिंगर ऐसे जो अवेलेबल होते हैं थ्रू आउट द हर साल मिलते हैं. अनियन हो गया, पोटैटो हो गया, बनाना हो गया. Some of the states are famous for fruits. Kashmir is famous for its apple, cherries and strawberry. हिमाचल प्रदेश किसके लिए फेमस है? एप्पल्स के लिए फेमस है. लद्दाख एप्रिकॉट्स के लिए. वर्ल्ड फेमस अल्फांसो मैंगो. ये कब ग्रो होता है? इन रतनगिरी इन महाराष्ट्र एंड दशहरी मैंगो केम फ्रॉम उत्तर प्रदेश. नागपुर महाराष्ट्र फेमस है किसके लिए? ऑरेंजेस के लिए. The pineapple are grown in Assam, Goa and Kerala. Coconut is available in coastal states जैसा आपकी केरला हो गया, तमिलनाडु. All types of crops are not grown in every state of Bharat, but we enjoy all types of fruits, vegetables and delicacies of Bharat. Irrespective of our place or living, we have good transport system. Have you ever wondered how food reaches us? The farmer grow crops in their field or farm. This is then taken by the farmers to the wholesale market or mandi. Shopkeeper and vendors buy fruits, vegetables, and pulses and grains from the farmers, and we buy it from retail shops and vendor in the market. People eat different types of food. लोग अलग अलग type के food खाते हैं. So do you eat fish, egg or meat? If you are non-vegetarian. People who do not eat fish or meat are called vegetarian. Indian food is popular throughout the world because of spices. We use in our food some of the common spices are chilies, cloves, turmeric, pepper, cardamom and porridge. For India, food is usually cooked in ghee, mustard oil, groundnut oil, sunflower oil, coconut oil, sea salt. Right? तो इनसे तो sometime boil. आप boil खाता है, कोई fried खाता है, कोई steamed, कोई baked खाता है. Variety of sweets are also available in every state of Bharat. You must eat and enjoy rasgulla, laddu, barfi, gulab jamun, Mysore pak and your several other sweets. These are the spices you can see here. So special dishes are made on special day like festival and wedding. It is fun to share special dishes that near and dear ones. So no country can boost a variety of food that Bharat has. ठीक है, जो आपके भारत में इतनी ऑफर्स की स्वीट्स मिलती है ऐसे कमी और नहीं है. Right, this is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.